Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Truptiscraft. Welcome to Quill and Chill with Trupti. My name is Trupti. I'm your Paper Queen artist. How are you doing today? I hope you're enjoying uh I hope you're enjoying your day and you're having a wonderful week. Let's start. Let's start with the things that I did this week. If you remember, I showed you the logo that I was working. I am done with that logo. Here is the finished logo. So like this. So this is 11 by 14 size logo. And I frame it in a black frame. If you see, I used beehive technique in this. And I just did some border on four corners. So this is 11 by 14-inch frame, and I used 5 millimeter wide paper strips for this. Not 5, sorry, 6.3 millimeter wide paper strips. So tomorrow I'm gonna deliver this to Anita. I hope she love it. Then I got one order for hamasa. If you have seen my hamasa, it's gonna be in black, sorry, not black, yes, black, white, and shades of blue. So I will start working on that. So I just finished the outline of this hamasa, and tomorrow I'm gonna finish all other things. And I will ship this in couple of days, but don't worry, I will take a picture of this and I will share that picture with you. And again, this weekend I'm going for one uh, function. So I thought, why not give something uh, thrilling to the host, quilling frame. So I'm thinking of making this om, but I am not sure which colors I'm gonna use it in this. Let me know if you have any ideas for the colors. I would love to hear them. Oh, one more thing. So sorry for having troubles with the lives because I'm trying to use Zoom because I want you to see what I am doing very closely so that you can get the idea and you can also learn this art by seeing this. So if I just use my one phone or just laptop, you cannot see from close. So that's why I'm using Zoom and I'm trying to use two cameras so that you can see it nicely. Uh, I tried it couple of times. It was working last time. It worked for some time, but I don't know what happened. The live got in. It got in. Uh, it got stopped. It stopped uh, in between. So I don't know what's happening. So let's see today what's gonna happen. And yes, if you don't know, from now on, Facebook is gonna delete all the live videos after 30 days. So if you wanna learn or these techniques, please don't forget to watch these videos before 30 days. But I will also try to make small videos and I will try to upload those videos as a reel so that you can watch them. So today is first day of spring. So I thought, why don't I teach you this beautiful flower? So you may have seen different flowers in my project, but this is the simple one. I will show you how you can make this flower. So connect my let me connect my phone so that you can see it closely. By the way, today's
First
first
day of
spring.
spring. So what are you doing? Do you
You
do any walk?
walk?
Let
Let
me
me
know.
know. I love to go for walk. Yes, I love to go for walk. So yeah, I always go for the walk. So let me connect my this phone, adjust it. Yes. Okay. Let me see if it's working. I hope you can see this. Okay. So this is the flower. So for this, to make this flower, I'm using regular 8 by 11 regular strips, 8 by 11 size, and these are 4 millimeter wide paper strips. So let's take one strip and then start rolling it. Once you are done rolling it, let it open, and then we are gonna make teardrop. So this is the opening end. So pinch it like this and then put glue. So we have one teardrop. Let's make one more teardrop. Remove it, let it open, pinch it, and glue it. If you want, you can use circle sizer and glue the coil first and then make shapes. It's up to you. So now we have two teardrops. What we are gonna do? We are gonna glue these two teardrops together. So take one teardrop, put glue, connect another teardrop, and glue it for some time. Hold it for some time. Now for this one, I'm gonna wrap this heart with same color strip. If you want, you can use different color strips. It's up to you. But I am using same color strip. I'm using half strip. So glue the end here. So put the glue here. Then glue the strip. Hold it for some time. And then wrap around it. I'm wrapping two times. If you want, you can wrap it with more times, but I'm wrapping it two times. And you can use, as I said, you can use different color strip to wrap it. I'm just using same strip. So this is one petal. So like this, you have to make 5 petals. 3, 4, 5. Now we are gonna glue these petals. So take one petal, apply glue on the sides, keep it here, and then glue remaining petals around it. Like this.
Let it dry. And for the middle, I'm gonna use same blue color strips. So I'm gonna take two strips, glue them together, and make a big strip, and then roll it. Now glue the end. So we are making tight coil first. Now we have to make dome with this tight coil. So what I have to do? Hold it and then take slotted tool and push this, and you will have dome. And then you have to put glue inside so that when you press, after some time when you press this dome, it will not become flat. So just spread glue inside and let it dry. Once it dry, I have one dried one. Then apply glue here around it, and then glue it in the middle. So here is your simple flower. But right now this flower is flat. And if you see, this flower had little bit 3D effect. So how you can do? It's very simple. So when you glue these petals together, wait for some time. And then what you can do, take the flower in the hand like this and press it and hold it for some time. Or what you can do, you can do any take any bottle cap or something. Maybe let me show you what you can do. So I have this circle sizer. What I can do, I can just put these things. So you have to wait for some time. I didn't wait, that's why they are falling apart. But hold, you can press it like this and then let it dry. Then your flower will have 3D effect. It will be not flower, it will look like this. So you can use this flower for different purpose like bookmarks, brooch. Um, you can make candle holder with this, or Easter is coming. You can decorate Easter. You can make Easter eggs. If you have wooden cutouts of Easter egg, or you can cut you can just cut paper with the Easter egg or bunny, and you can decorate that with these flowers. And you have a lot of colors, right? So you color strips, so you can use those different color strips and make different flowers and decorate it. You can also decorate photo frame with these kind of flowers. So I hope you like this, and I hope you will make this kind of flowers. If you make it, don't forget to send me the pictures. I would love to see the pictures of your creation. And if you like to learn something new, please don't forget to uh, write a comment or email me. So next time, I think I'm gonna show you. Someone asked me how I did that purple flower that I showed last week. So next week I'm thinking of showing that kind of flower, but I'm not gonna show the bigger one. But I will show the main technique of it, and I hope you can make something like this. So till next time, happy quilling. Bye bye.